Hi, everybody. The big day has finally arrived. It's Fed Day. So I'm going to go over the charts with you, and I'm going to do my best to prepare you with levels that you could pay attention to after the Fed, not before the Fed. Even though I'm going over charts, you know what you can do with your charts for the first 30 minutes after the announcement and probably through the press conference is throw them away. Okay, but what we can do is prepare to react to the reaction rather than betting on the reaction. So yesterday the dollar came off 96, expecting the Fed not to do anything. You also had a big rally in the S&Ps, which is currently stalling out. I've been talking about the S&Ps getting up towards the 2000 level in the next from down here before we take out the flash crash low. That's still possible. I'm looking for 2030 to 2050. Normally you would think that would be with the dollar going up, but lately we've reverted to the old correlation where the dollar goes down and everything else goes up. Stocks go up, commodities go up. The only thing not going up is bonds. So that was the action that we had yesterday. So the market's anticipating a non-action again by Janet Yellen. So let's get to our instruments and take a look at some levels. Starting off with the euro. It's 112 level, it's critical. Under 112, you got problems in the euro, probably a retest and a taking out of the Draghi low. We could get one more rally up to clean out stops on non-action. I'm viewing any dollar weakness as a dollar buying opportunity, euro shorting opportunity. Euro pound still looks negative after the big break yesterday. We're getting flagging action, so I'd be selling rallies on euro pound, maybe back to 73.20 in case it attempts one more rally. Back to the euro, the highs were up here around 1370. So if we rally back to 114, 114.20, which is a fib level, I would consider laying on shorts in the euro. Also think that the pound is starting to top out. We have drive 1. We have drive 2. It's diverging, so perhaps we pull back. I would look to play a 3 drive to a top formation in the pound. Best guess, there was a shot for 56. Up here, this third drive looks like it's going to come in around 55.60 or so. So looking for potential shorting opportunities there. I've attempted to be patient in the yen. And here we are at 121, still looking for 22 or better to short. If the S&Ps do rally up towards that 2030, 2040 level, I do expect US dollar yen to test 22, which is a little bit over 61.8 with an outside shot for 23, which is 76.4. We got the big explosion in commodities and Canada broke down. There's some pretty good support here at 31. I really don't know what to do with Canada, so it's a stand aside for me. And basically that's my wrap. You have some areas to pay attention to. If the Fed doesn't move, I'm looking at dollar weakness as being a dollar buying opportunity, shorting opportunity in euro and pound dollar. Good hunting. I'm going to be speaking with Val during our regular interview, and then FX Street with Val and Mauricio will be covering the Fed event. It's going to happen at 1:45 Eastern time. That's 15 minutes before the announcement. So invite you to react to the reaction with Mauricio, Val, and myself. See everybody in the room.